it's Timothy, Dreamland's famous mattress reviewer, famous for this video.
Hello.
Cut. Today, I'm going to show you what's real back care, real comfort with the help of my assistant, Javane. And the Dreamland mattress with miracle technology, the world's most renowned spring technology. Are you ready, Javane?
I can't wait, Mr. Timothy.
Then let's start! For this experiment, I will be laying on my back onto the Dreamland mattress, of course, but with both legs, with one leg up. Javane here will then place a tray onto my foot before stacking some cups onto the tray. Dreamland mattresses have high-density cushioning that ensures real back care and real comfort. The cushioning ensures you fall asleep. Dreamland's mattresses have high-density foam cushioning for real back care, real comfort. Extra parts cushioning ensures you fall asleep faster.